Now, in a surprising move, Saudi Arabia, the prominent member of the OPEC Plus coalition, has taken decisive action to address the sliding crude prices. To stabilize the oil market, the kingdom plans to slash its oil supply by a significant 1 million barrels per day in July. This reduction will bring Saudi Arabia's production to its lowest level in many years.
Now, the decision comes at a time when crude prices face downward pressure due to a softer economic outlook, particularly in China. Saudi Energy Minister has expressed a strong commitment to restoring stability to the market and is willing to shoulder the burden of the production cuts.
As we have done in April, whereby the countries that had agreed to do the voluntary cuts have extended that voluntary cuts to end of 24. And I would have to call it the Saudi lollipop, which is 1 million barrel of reduction for the start that starts at the 1st of July. And that million is also extendable.
Despite previous efforts to curtail production just 2 months ago, the OPEC Plus coalition's attempts to rally prices have fallen short. Weak economic data from China have weighed heavily on oil futures, resulting in an 11% decline in prices in New York during May.
As a result, Saudi Arabia is doubling down on its efforts, with the additional cut for next month potentially being extended. Global oil demand that's projected to reach record highs this year, but the additional cuts announced by Saudi Arabia will limit its production to around 9 million barrels per day in July. That's the lowest since June 2021.
The OPEC Plus talks saw the United Arab Emirates emerge as the primary beneficiary, securing a higher production quota for 2024. However, this achievement came at the expense of some African members who were asked to relinquish part of their unused quotas. Russia, the second largest OPEC Plus producer, extended its existing production curbs until the end of 2024, but was not required to make additional cuts this year.